NordVPN review. Is it the best VPN in 2025? You're streaming your favorite show hiding on public Wi-Fi or just tired of feeling watched online? So you ask, is NordVPN really the top choice in 2025? In the next minute, you'll get the inside track. NordVPN is a full-fledged VPN service. You get access to thousands of servers worldwide, strong encryptions, apps for basically every device. You're buying more than just a hide your IP tool, you're getting speed streaming access privacy features. For example, NordVPN now supports its own protocol called the NordLynx, built on WireGuard. So here are the big wins. Speeds are superb. In tests, average speed loss was as low as 3% when connected. Also, huge server network, thousands of servers across 100 plus countries so you can access content globally. And lastly, strong privacy, no lags policy, headquarters in Panama outside major surveillance alliances and multiple audits done. If you're streaming, gaming, or just value privacy, this covers a lot of bases. So if you are wanting to watch Netflix or other geo-restricted content from anywhere, or using public Wi-Fi and want your data safe, and wanting minimal showdowns while staying connected, then NordVPN shines. Reviewers consistently call it one of the best VPNs for streaming and general use in 2025. But here's the realistic side. While speeds are excellent, renewal prices for NordVPN can be significantly higher than the initial sign-up cost. Some advanced features, for example, split tunneling, certain platform support, still have limitations. And lastly, if you're just casually browsing or only need a VPN for a rare use, the cost might be more than just you need. Sometimes cheaper alternatives may suffice. So it's not perfect, but it covers many key areas very well. So here's my verdict. If you want a premium all-around VPN in 2025 for streaming, privacy, speed, then NordVPN is absolutely worth serious consideration. It still holds its crown in many expert reviews, but if your use case is light or budget is tight, you might pick something simpler. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment. What's your biggest issue with VPNs? I'll see you in the next one.